does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you.
What kind of sickness is this? She coughs non-stop as if her heart will cut in shreds. The diagnosis shows she has bronchitis, tuberculosis, and high blood pressure. Only one person is suffering from all of these sicknesses, and there is no money to seek for medical attention and treatment. The hospital she was admitted in had to send her away due to lack of payment for the hospital bill. We resorted to buying drugs from a chemist shop. Daniel, the chemist guy, has tried the best he could for us at least. He has been the one giving us drugs on credit, and he warned me not to come to his chemist shop again without money. He complained we owe him huge amount of money already, and that he is not going to sell on credit again. God, what am I going to do?
I need my drugs. My drugs.
Mama, drugs are finished. Yes. And Daniel warned me not to come back to his shop if I don't have the money for the one we took before.
My chest aches. My chest aches.
Okay, just okay, just wait. I'll find a way. Just hold on. I'm coming. Oh,
my chest aches.
I'm coming.
Where are you now? God of the unknown. Where are you now? God of the unknown. Upon one day.
Matilda!
Hey, Mama! Mommy!
Matilda!
Mommy.
Matilda!
Sorry. Yes, I could not get drugs. Daniel went to Onitsha to buy drugs, and the other woman I went to her shop to get some drugs, I told her what I wanted, she gave me, but when I now told her that I don't have money, I'll pay her later, she collected the drugs from me. I don't know what we are going to do now. Okay? You just have to be strong till Daniel comes back. Please, hold yourself for me. I know that God will not allow anything to happen to you. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Please. Please. Mommy, please. Mommy, you have to be strong for me. You have to be strong. Mommy, you have to be strong. You have to be strong. Daniel will soon come back. Sorry. Sorry. Mommy, should I get you water?
Yes. I'm dying.
God forbid. Mommy, don't talk like that. You will not die. You will live to see my children's children, Mommy. God will not allow you to die. Nothing will happen to you. It's just sickness. You'll be fine. Please don't lose hope. You know you are all I have, Mommy. Be cool.
Matilda, my daughter. There's something I've been meaning to talk to you about.
Okay. Mommy, what is it? Go ahead and tell me. But please, I rebuke it. God forbid, you will not die.
Hold it. I wish, I honestly wish I can take back the hand of time. I am the architect of my own problems. As a growing girl, I grew into adolescent age as a beautiful young girl. I carved for myself in my dreams a handsome, tall, rich man. In my mind, that's the only picture of who I ever wanted to marry.
Sorry, Mommy. Sorry. Okay.
Before you know it, suitors started filing in. Yes, they started filing in. But I refused each of them because none of them met the standard I set for myself. My age mates started getting married and having children. And I was there, still waiting for my Mr. Handsome.
Sorry. 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 Hey.
After a while, my parents, siblings, friends, and even my colleagues at work started making mockery of me. I took the painful I took the decision of leaving Lagos State. I decided to leave for a state where nobody knew anything about me. I left for Abeokuta. Yes, I left for Abeokuta. From Abeokuta, I decided to go down east. I got to Asaba. The first day. The first day I got to Asaba. The first man I met was Mr. Albert. He showed me all his cars, his properties, his houses. He asked me to marry him, but I stupidly refused. I refused because he's rich. But he was short and ugly. So I refused to marry him.
Sorry, Mami, sorry. So now I understand why he doesn't take pity on you at all. He doesn't pity you at all.
Yes. Yes. I refused to marry him. Even at 43 then.
Okay, Mami. Are you a single mother? Eh? Please don't cry. You know crying is not good for your condition. Don't, please. You're going to make matter worse. Are you a single mother? Eh?
Yes. No.
Okay. So how did I come into the picture? Who is my father? Sorry. Who is my father? Sorry, Mommy. I remember I asked you before.
You know I'm a good cook.
Mommy, I'm trying to ask you, where is my father? I've never seen his picture. I've never seen him since I was born till date. I don't even know what he looks like. Where is he? Does he love me? Did I take after him? Because with my skin color, I know I did not take after him. No, tell me now. Mom, each time I ask you this, you try to waive the question. Where is my father? Okay. Did he abandon us? Are you divorced? Are you a single mother?
No, I'm not. He did not abandon us, and I am not a divorcee.
Where is it?
Your father died in a ghastly motor accident when I was 7 months pregnant with him. His death left me shattered and heartbroken. That's why I don't like discussing it for any reason.
So my father is dead. May his soul rest in peace. It's okay. Cheer up, Mommy. I'm here for you. I'm here to make you happy and always take care of you. I wish I had met my father. I'm sure I look like him because you're darker than I am. My father must be very handsome.
Yes, he was.
Was he tall? Sexy eyes.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You What does it
Must be very
pay to
handsome,
be
that's
the
why.
way you are? You kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity.
I lied. I lied.
Mommy. You mean you lied about my true paternity?
I lied about everything.
I was never married.
I was never pregnant. As a matter of fact, I'm not your mother.
Mommy.
As I was getting older, and menopause was catching up with me. In order not to lose at both ends, I decided to adopt a baby girl that I can take care of and who will let her take care of me. How? I can't remember it. Matilda.
Sorry.
I can remember it as if it were just yesterday. When I walked into St. Monica's motherless baby's home in Abeokuta. As the matron took me round, we came to a room where there were many children, newborn babies. There were toddlers and even aged ones. Lo and behold, there you were, playing with a toy, alone. And I asked the matron about you, how old you were. She said you were 4 years old. He said you were 4 years. And I walked towards you. As I walked towards you, you came to me with your hands open. I carried your small body up. I placed you on my chest. Ow. Oh, you were the best thing that happened to me there.
I no longer minded the whole savings. The money I saved from my bank job. I carried you to the office to have two full details about you. When we got, when I got to the office, the matron there said, when she saw you, that your case was complicated. Yes, that yours was a very complicated case.
I don't understand what you mean by my case was complicated. What does that mean?
They had next to no information about you. Only that a very sick old woman got you to the home there, dropped you and left. They have next to nothing as regards who your real mother. That was how I carried you home when I decided to relocate to Asaba. I came down with you as my only child.
So, from your story, I'm an orphan from Abeokuta. Maybe. No identity.
You were all I had. And you still are. You are everything. Everything to me.
Mommy. Why did it take you so long to give me this revelation? Why? I asked. I did ask.
Never wanted to make you sad. You were all I. And then, even now, I'm sorry.
It's
Sorry,
okay.
my daughter. Please,
It's
forgive
okay.
me.
It's okay. Just be strong for me. Just be strong. Oh God. Mommy, stop. I know the reason you hid it from me was because you were scared I was going to leave. Sorry. The landlord threatened to eject me if I cannot retain the house. Who do I run to? No family member, no family friend. How am I going to cope in this town? How? Mommy died due to lack of money to pay her hospital bill. Mommy, what a woman. She took me in and treated me like she would treat her own daughter. I did enjoy the love of a mother. Now she's no more. What do I do?
Death, why? Why did you snatch Mommy from me? The only mother I know. A woman that took me from when I was a child and made me a child. Why? Death, why? Mommy died in my hands. Mommy died in my hands. I was helpless. I couldn't save Mommy. I couldn't do anything to remedy the situation. Mommy. Then why? The woman that means the world to me. The woman that means everything to me is no more. Where do I start from? Where do I go to? This is a woman that gave me life. This is a woman that took care of me from when I was a child. This is a woman that means the whole world to me. How do I forge ahead with life? I don't have money for rent. I don't have anybody. Hey! That's why me? Why me? Why me? Hi! Mommy. May your soul rest in peace. What am I going to do now? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Where am I going to go to? I don't have money to pay for the rent. How do I cope? How do I survive? Mommy, may your soul rest in peace. Till we meet to part no more. You'll forever be my mother. I miss you. I love you.
How does it
My
feel
life cannot
to
be the
live
same
the
without
way
you
you
again.
do? You
Hi!
got the world around you.
Why me?
What does it pay to be the way you are?
Why
You
me?
kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity. Infidelity.
Who's there, Matilda? Will you come out here?
It's such a vanity.
Good afternoon. Please, go in there. Pack your things out of this place. I want to give out this place to another person who can pay me the rent, since you cannot pay.
Baba, I understand, but please, Emma Binu, help me, Baba. If I live here, where will I go to? Where will I go to, Baba?
You don't have any place to go. You can go to any of your family members. Better still, to the village.
I don't know my village.
You don't have your village.
I don't know my village. I don't even have family members. My mother never took me to their village before she died. It's just me in this whole world. Just help me, please.
There is nothing I can do. This is my only source of livelihood.
Okay, Baba.
My hands are tied. I can't leave you here. I have to give out to people that can pay me the rent. This is my only source of livelihood.
Okay, Baba, I understand. I don't want to sound selfish. Let me help you. Let me be working for you as your house help. So when you pay me at the end of the month, I'll use it to pay for this. I just want shelter over my head. I want roof over my head. Biko, help me.
Matilda. Matilda, I don't need any house help. What do I need house help for? When all my children are grown and can take care of themselves. You know too well that I was never in good terms with your mother, even when she was alive. She refused to pay me my 7 months rent before her death. There is no point for you not to pack out from here.
Please help me. I'm begging you. If I pack out now, I don't have anywhere to go. Just help me, sir. Help me. God will bless you. Let me just stay. I will find a way.
Matilda, I am giving you 3 days to come and pay the 7 months rent and then carry your things out of this place. After 3 days, I come back and you did not come and pay. I will seize all the properties here to recover my money and then force you out of this place. I've said it and I don't want to repeat myself.
What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity. Infidelity is such a vanity. Vanity, 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 such a vanity. It's a vanity, vanity. Infidelity, infidelity is such a vanity. How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you. Oh, yeah. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Tell me. Vanity, 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 such a vanity. Oh yeah. So tell me what infidelity. How many is such a vanity.
Excuse me, ma, please, I want to talk to you.
You want to talk to me?
Yes, ma.
Who are you and where are you from?
Ma, I'm nobody. I don't have anybody. I'm an orphan.
You are an orphan?
Yes, ma.
You don't have any relative at all?
I don't know of any. Before my foster mother died, she told me she's not my real mother because I didn't know. So now I'm stranded. I was staying in one uncompleted building, but armed robbers came there and stole everything I made from my gala business. Now I'm stranded. I don't have anywhere to go to.
What's your name?
My name is Matilda, ma.
Matilda, so how can I be of help to you?
I can be your house help.
I can work, I can cook, I can do anything. I can be your house help. I can wash your clothes, I can take care of your kids. Anywhere. I just need shelter Matilda, over my head. Okay. Go to na passage, even if it's inside your passage or even in the kitchen. Biko, I don't know what will become of me if I go back to that uncompleted building. Please, ma. I'm genuine. I'm not lying. Just help me. Biko, I know you don't owe me any help, but I pray that God will touch your heart to just help me. I don't have anyone. Please.
Matilda.
Ma. Biko, please.
Okay, enter this car.
Are you serious? Hey, my God will
it's okay. It's okay.
God will bless you for anything you ask God. God will give you. Before you even ask, God will give you. Thank you so much. You will not lack in this life. God will bless you for me. Thank you.
You had the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity. Infidelity is such a vanity.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Thank you.
Matilda, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable, okay? Sit down. Drop your bag on the floor.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
No, drop it on the floor.
Ma, I don't want to stain the tiles.
It will not stain the tiles. Even if it does, it will be cleaned, okay? Just drop it.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
I'm coming. Excuse me.
Thank God I asked to. Thank God I approached this woman. Hey, thank you, God. She's a nice person.
Matilda, use this and cool off.
Thank you, ma.
By tomorrow, I will be taking you to a friend that needs a house help.
Thank you so much, ma. Thank you.
Meanwhile, let me go up and come back. I will take you to your room. You're such a nice cook.
Thank you, ma. I'm glad you like it.
I like it. Come here. Are you not going to dish out your own food?
No, ma. I will eat inside the kitchen.
No. You don't do that in my house. Here in my house, everyone is important. So go to the kitchen and get your plate. You come and join me here. Go.
Thank you, ma.
And later you give the gate man his own food at the gate.
Alright.
That is after we must have eaten our own. Alright. Go and get your plate.
Dish your food. Dish out your food. Take as much as you want. Hmm? Take more. Take more.
Thank you.
Take enough meat.
Now this one is okay.
You're such a nice cook.
Thank you, ma.
Dorothy, my friend, will like you.
Thank you, ma.
Who taught you how to cook?
Mommy.
It's alright. Eat your food. Eat, okay?
So, ma, what of your family? Your husband, your children?
My children are fine. I have 3 children. 2 boys and 1 girl. My 2 boys are studying abroad, while my daughter stays here with me. She's studying at the State University. She went to school, she will soon be back.
And your husband?
My husband is an engineer.
I'm not asking too much.
No, no.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a CEO of an agency that caters for women who are maltreated by their husbands and their husbands' relatives. Yes. And I'm also a businesswoman. I buy and sell gold.
Madam, you're a big woman and you're really blessed.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Eat your food.
Let me put...
It's okay.
I'm glad you like the food.
Yes, I like it. Dorothy, pick your call now.
Momo.
Yeah, hello.
How are you? How have you been?
I'm fine, and you?
We are there. We are there. So, your husband, is he back?
No, he will be back on Sunday.
You're really enjoying yourself.
Enjoyment, call enjoyment me. Enjoyment without my husband around me?
You guys are doing audio love with phones.
Can you hear yourself? Phone love is not enough for me. I need my husband around me because I missed him so much.
Love me, love call, love in Tokyo. You know I don't believe in that 4-letter word. Mine is raw cash. Money talks and bullshit work.
I know you and material things.
Maureen, to be honest, money answers all things. When you have money, you've got the whole world. Tell me what money can't buy. The most luxurious life, comfortable home, peace of mind. Just mention it, the highest ride. You can get it with money. So to me, money is everything.
Dorothy, you won't change. Yes. Guess what? Just guess a little.
More, please. You know I'm not good at it. it. Just go straight to the point. What is it?
Okay, I've gotten a new house help for you.
Oh my word! You did?
Yes.
For real?
If you see this girl, you will like her.
Oh, this is so sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So tell me, how much do you know this maid?
She's very quiet, hardworking. She's well trained, very intelligent.
Alright.
Yes, she's well trained.
If you say so. Alright. I will be waiting at least. I need someone around. I can't have my children doing the house chores.
In fact, you will like her when you see her.
So when are you coming?
I will bring her to your house tomorrow.
Alright then.
Okay, I know you are happy. I know you are happy. So the search has ended.
See you then.
Okay, okay dear.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
More.
How does it feel to live the way you do?
A house help. Well, I am so happy. House help. I can't wait for
What
that.
does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Tell me, vanity, such a vanity.
Fine.
So tell me,
How is
Mom, I'm hungry. Is there food in the house?
Yes, there's food in the kitchen.
Wow. Okay, Mommy, I'll see you later. I'm so hungry. Mom, did you prepare the jollof rice?
No, Matilda did.
Matilda. Where is Matilda?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. She's the new house help I got for Dorothy.
The new house help. And where is she, Mom?
She's in the guest room.
Mom, I need to see this super cook.
It's okay. Just be nice to her, okay?
I'll be right back.
Where are you from and who are your parents?
Ma, I'm an orphan.
An orphan?
Dorothy, calm down.
Alright. Madam Orphan, where do you stay here in the city?
Okay. The mama that I was staying with told me she's not my biological mother. She said she got me from the orphanage before she died. So right now, I don't have anyone.
Really? In that case, you're a bastard.
Dorothy.
But that is it.
Stop. Why are you taunting this girl? Huh?
Maureen, I'm so sorry about this, but I'm just trying to get to know her very well. She's going to live with me, isn't it?
Yes.
I need to know her identity because
from what she just said, probably her mother is a prostitute. Those that, discharge their children either in the gutters or anywhere.
Dorothy.
So I should be careful because...
Dorothy, you are doing the right thing in a wrong manner. Yes, your attitude towards her just now isn't fine with me at all.
Maureen, I'm so sorry, but you know me. I'm too materialistic. I have a lot of golds and silver, diamonds. I wouldn't like in a situation where I will come home one day as I'm looking for anything. I need to know her. I need to know where she's from, even the motherless baby home she came from or whatever. Who was the mommy that died after confection?
Stop!
I'm allergic to poverty.
I said stop. It is obvious you do not need a house help.
I need a house help. I do need a house help, but not the one I don't know where she's coming from or where she was staying before coming to my house.
If you do, you should be able to trust whoever you're staying with. Trust her first.
Really?
Yes. Dorothy, it is obvious you do not need a house help. Matilda, stop.
Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. I'm just trying to get to know her. She says she's an orphan. Since you are her shorty and if anything happens, I know you can foot the bills. And you,
Dorothy, please.
yes.
You should trust whoever you are going to stay with first.
I'm doing that already.
Good.
Yes. Hey,
So
get your bag.
Okay.
She's staying.
So she stays, right?
Thank you, ma.
There's a room behind the parking store. Just clean it up and stay there for now. I will arrange where you will be staying.
Thank you so much, ma. Thank you for taking me. Thank you. I'll make you proud, ma. I'll do a very good job for you, ma.
Matilda, dear,
Thank you, ma.
just feel at home and also feel free, okay?
I will make you proud, ma. Thank you.
Dorothy, she's a nice girl.
Really?
Yes, just trust me on that.
I'll get to see that.
You will see that.
It's alright.
I'll be leaving for...
Heartless. Why you be so heartless?
Hi, Mom. Good afternoon.
Sweetheart. You're welcome, my angel. So tell me, how was your day?
My day was hectic.
Mom, I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Mommy, would you believe that we had to stop at a fast food joint to get food and drinks just because Noel was disturbing me? I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. It's not even up to 5 minutes we got home now and he's saying that he's hungry again.
Angel, stop. Are you saying that my son can eat in his father's house?
I don't know.
Sweetie,
Mommy.
lunch is served.
Really?
Go on, dishes.
Really? I was here waiting.
So tell me about the lecture.
The lecture was boring.
And the lecturers?
Mom, thank God I went on time. Would you believe that our lecturer asked the latecomers to stay outside?
Really?
Thank God I got to class on time before he came in. They were outside having their lectures while I was inside having mine. Thank you. If not, I would have stayed outside and received the lecture.
It's alright.
Mom,
Yes, dear.
you didn't make this food, right?
No. Aunt Maureen brought a new house help for us. She's the one that made the food.
Wow, Mommy, a new house help? Where is she?
She should be at the back washing. I told her to wash the dirty clothes.
Wow, I'm coming, Mom. Let me go and see her.
Is that you will like?
Food, eat.
You like the food?
Yeah, it's so delicious, no?
Tell me,
So,
how was the lectures today? Were you listening or thinking on how to get home to eat food?
it was hectic, but
But what?
Don't worry. I got a lot of gist for you today.
I can't wait to finish.
So, Mom, what's her name? The new house help.
Matilda.
That's nice name.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you will like her.
Are you the new house help?
Yes, ma'am.
I see. Young lady, what's your name?
Ma'am, my name is Matilda.
I'll be right back. Make sure they are sparkling clean. Watch out for the armpit areas. Look out for makeup stains and make sure they are totally removed and clean. I want you to do a very good job. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
She asked me to wash her undies for her now. Eh? And come to think of it, these clothes are not even dirty. What do you go call God? Matilda. Not the bar. Dancing one need them.
Hello, honey. I'm fine. And you? I hope you're fine too. Oh, Tema is fine. She's doing good with her studies, yes. Yes. I really thank God that our children are doing good in their academics. Oh yes, I really thank God for what He has been doing for our family, and He's still doing more. Yes. Oh my God! Oh honey, you mean we are finally going to have you back? Oh thank God, I'm happy. I can't wait to see you. I missed you too, my darling. Hey honey, lest I forget. I found a new house help for Dorothy. Oh yes. If you see this girl, she is well trained, hardworking, and equally beautiful. Yes. It's okay. Let me allow you rest your nerves then. We will talk later, okay? Take good care of yourself. I love you. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I can't wait to see my husband. I can't wait, honestly.
I hate her.
You hate her, you say? I mean, how could you possibly hate someone you're just meeting for the first time? Mom, do people hate people for no just cause? I get it now. Big says you're pathologically jealous of her because she's prettier than you.
Will you shut your mouth? She can never be prettier than my angel. Tell him, Mom.
But that's the truth. She's beautiful. I mean, you know the truth. She's endowed. And I'm a man, Mom. I know when a lady is beautiful, Mom. And I can attest to it that she's very beautiful.
Oh, shut your mouth. What makes you a man? You're still a boy. Besides, I employed her to take care of my household. Can we change this topic?
I know, Mom. You employed her to do everything in this house. I mean, you employed her to eventually do everything in this house. Which includes bathing us, washing our bum bum.
Well?
Mom.
Are you trying to insult your mother?
I am not insulting you, Mom. I am just telling you the truth, Mom.
Really?
Mom, I'm telling you the truth.
What? What are you saying? Come and sit down. Let me hear you very well.
I know what I'm saying, Mom. I think your daughter knows better. Yes, you're jealous of her. You think I don't know? You're jealous of her because she's more prettier than you. That's why you gave her all your neat clothes and all this to wash for.
Very stupid! Idiot! Am I going to like that? I'm going to deal with you! You're this bonehead! Am I your place? For this boy! Over here! Idiot! You're very stupid!
God, this is my first day in this house and I'm already experiencing hell. How long is this going to last? Is this what I will be experiencing in this house every day in the hands of mother and daughter? They insult me, abuse me, call me all manner of unprintable names. That girl doesn't want to see me. Indeed, there is a big gap between the rich and the poor. Their worlds are simply apart. They are two parallel lines that can never meet. But come to think of it, Mommy Thelma and her daughter are very different. They are rich as well, but very nice and accommodating people. They appreciate me a lot. I wish they are the ones I'm staying with. God, will I ever endure this? Oh Lord, save my soul.
Still sleeping? Eh? She's still sleeping. Do I blame you? I don't blame you. My friend, will you get up from that place? Wake up, my boss. Are you alright? Why are you still on bed? What is good about this morning? Yes, that place. What is good about this morning? Are you not supposed to be at the kitchen making breakfast? Will you go to the kitchen and start making breakfast? After which you tidy the house, tidy the whole compound, take the refuge, go to the refuge. Come back here! I am not done talking. Are you alright? If someone is talking to you, you should stand and listen attentively. Now go to the kitchen, make breakfast. After which you tidy the house. Make sure everywhere is tidy. Go to the compound, clean every nook and cranny, then pack the refuge, go down the street, dispose them, come back and make sure you iron everybody's clothes. Am I understood? Now, leave. Hey, madam. Come on,
And where are you coming from?
I went to wake the house help. And you can't believe it. The stupid girl was sleeping as at the time I got to her room.
House help?
Oh, so sorry, I forgot to tell you. You came back yesterday very late, though. Almost midnight.
Okay, so when did she come? And who is she?
Maureen, my friend, brought her yesterday.
And who is she?
I don't know, but Maureen said she's an orphan.
Oh, girl. So, where is she right now?
She should be in the kitchen making breakfast.
At this time of the morning, early morning like this, she's making breakfast. What kind of breakfast is she preparing that you have to wake her up this early?
Do you want to shout? Rufus, do you want us to start our usual this early? Huh? She is a maid. Her duty is to make sure that everything is ready before my children wake. For heaven's sake, please.
Your children?
Yes.
Okay. So, where are your children as we speak?
Sleeping, of course.
Sleeping? Your children are sleeping and you woke up somebody's child at this time of the morning to go and prepare breakfast for your children. Can you see yourself?
Rufus, what is this? What are you insinuating? What? Do you expect my children to go and make their food when I employ the maid in this house? Do you?
Dorothy, I don't have your time.
You shouldn't. Because I'm paying her. Give me some break.
Which kind of woman is this? What kind of woman is this? Eh? I don't understand.
Heartless. Why you be so heartless?
Matilda? Matilda! What is keeping the breakfast? Where is this girl?
Mommy, I'm here.
How many times have I warned you never to call me mom? I am not your mother, you stupid girl.
Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Ma. I'm almost done with the breakfast. It will be ready in a jiffy.
It will be ready in a jiffy. Don't keep my husband and children waiting. Moron.
Alright,
X-hole. Come on, will you go back and finish what you're doing? I can never be your mother. Mother to a stupid and dirty girl like you. Serve the breakfast as soon as you're done. And don't call me mother again. I can never be a mother to a stupid dirty girl like you.
Heartless woman. Nobody owns this life. Oh no, yeah. Heartless. Why you being so heartless?
This is nice. Wow, thank you. Matilda.
Sir?
This food looks inviting.
I'm glad you like it, sir. Madam, hope you're enjoying it, Mommy.
It's as sumptuous as it looks. Matilda.
Sir?
I hope you kept some for yourself.
What's the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? I want to know. She should eat what we're eating.
Of course.
For what?
Because she's now part of the family.
Excuse me? She's just an ordinary house help.
Do you expect her to eat what we eat?
She's a member of the family now.
Excuse me? She's an ordinary maid. She can never be part of this family.
Dorothy!
What?
Why are you filled with so much spite and bitterness?
Over what?
Over her!
Excuse me. Probably one day you will get a seat so that the diner will be complete and ask her to dine with us.
Oh, and what is wrong with that?
Hello? How dare you speak such nonsense from your mouth?
Dorothy!
Yes?
Look, okay. I've been meaning to ask this.
Do.
What is wrong with her referring to you as mother?
I am not her mother. I can never be mother to an ordinary house help. I'm allergic to poverty. You should know that by now.
Look, I've always advised you. Be kind to those you meet on your way up. Because certainly you will meet them on your way down. So treat everybody nicely, please, for your own good.
Thank you, Apostle Rufus Obi, for this beautiful morning sermon. At least I get to have sermon on the dining table. Allow me to eat this food.
Exactly what I intend advising you to do. I am going to eat my food before I go to the office today. Excuse me.
Quite a skill, but please keep quiet while eating it.
I should keep quiet. There's something wrong with you?
Nothing. Table manners. Table manners.
More.
More.
You see, now you are dragging the food. The food prepared by somebody you hate so much. Look at you, you finished yours, you are now eating my own. You should be ashamed of yourself.
It's my money.
Look.
It's my money. This is how to feed the wife.
Who be that? Welcome.
Thank you. Where is Auntie Maureen?
She there inside. What happened? What's up? Madam! 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 Oh! Madam! Madam! See her for this. Now she like that, madam.
Matilda! 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 What happened to her?
Madam, no, she just locked gate though. That's why I open her for her. She can't fall.
How can she fall like that?
Madam, no, that's why she just fall down for ground. No.
Are you sure you didn't do anything to her?
Nothing, no, madam, nothing.
Matilda, wake up. Matilda! Help me. Let us take her inside. Hey, Matilda! Matilda! Help me!
You had the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you.
Oh, stop crying and tell me what exactly happened.
I don't know. From the first day I went to that house, that woman never liked me. You were there, you saw how she spoke to me the first day. You even told me to come, let's go, before the child should start walking. I don't know. She hates me and maltreats me at will every time. I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not a thief. I've not stolen from her before. I've never disobeyed her. I do the washing, the cleaning, everything. I'm even the one that does the cooking, but I don't eat. Okay, yesterday, after serving them, I was in the kitchen eating. When she came, collected my food and poured it on the floor in the kitchen.
Ah, Dorothy did?
Yes, that's how she treats me. Sometimes she will even pour it on my head.
Hey, Mom, we really need to do something about this. This is so bad. This is
very bad. This is the height of it all. In fact, I can't take this anymore. I can't. Eh? Which woman in her right senses will treat her herself like this?
Ma, please, I just want you to act like I...
No, I'm going to teach her a lesson. I will deal with her.
Ma, please, consider me before you
don't
take
have
any...
to beg me, no.
Matilda, I need to allow my mom to deal with that woman. She's so wicked.
Please, I don't even want you to act as if I told you anything. If you do, she will say that I'm spreading her name, that I'm making people to see her as a bad person, and she might chase me away. Please, she will throw me away. See, I think her problem is trust. Maybe she has trust issues. And you don't even blame her. Me to that stranger. She doesn't even know me from anywhere. I believe, I'm praying for her. I believe she will change. I know she will change. Maybe someday she will just realize I'm genuine and nice and she will start treating me well. But please don't even act as if I told you anything, Biko.
It's okay. It's okay if you say so.
Sorry.
But just know it that I am not happy. I'm not happy at all.
Sorry. Huh? Drink water, Matilda.
My stomach.
Sorry.
I'm not eating since yesterday. If I had known, I would have just done dry fasting. Hey. Hi. God. My stomach is pain.
Sorry, okay? And you need fruits. Do we still have fruit?
Yes, Mommy, there's still fruit in the fridge. I'll make fruit salad for her later.
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. God bless you. Oh, bless you.
Ah, it's okay. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hey, where is this girl? I wonder where this girl is, eh? What is keeping her? Is it not to go to the market and come back?
She will be back. Probably she might have lost her way.
What arrant nonsense? What do you mean she lost her way? Is it the first time she's going to that market? Mom, I'm sure she went to sleep with one of her boyfriends. Those motor-packed out harlots.
Hey, Matilda. Eh? Matilda. Hi. My friend, sit down. Here, come here. Where are you returning from?
From the market, ma.
Which of the markets are you returning from? The one I know or another? Do you know what the time is? It's almost 6 p.m. You know when you left this house? So start talking. Where are you coming back from?
Yes, ma. It's the market. Ma, I told you.
You told me what?
Sneaky.
Mom.
What? My friend, sit down there.
Mom, please take it easy on her.
Oh, shut up, Maurice. And as for you, must you flex like your worthless mother? You shameless bastard that wants to bring forth another bastard.
Olivia, what's your problem? Why are you scolding her?
Oh, shut up!
No.
Just look at her. What's that?
What?
I think I see money. What's that? Bring it out, bring it out. Bring it out. Bring it out. Oh my God. Mom, this is 5,000 naira.
Where did you get this money from?
Somebody gave me.
Somebody gave you?
Yes.
Hey! Wait, someone did what?
Dashed me the money.
Someone dashed you 5,000 naira?
Yes, ma.
What did you do for the person?
Ma, nothing, no. It's just grace.
Hey! So, you were on your own, walking, and somebody called Matilda! You came, take this money. Is that?
Ma, somebody dashed me this money.
My friend, stop talking! before I kill you here.
Ma, see, ma, it's grace of God.
Grace? Grace? Hey! The person's name is Grace, right?
No, like I mean, it's because grace of God made the person gay.
Okay, because of grace of Satan, I've not been getting money. Really? And you want me to believe it? Yeah, my friend, get out from this place.
Oh, ma, okay, let me tell you the truth. You know, I told you I've not eaten since yesterday. So when I went out to go and buy stuff in the market, my eyes started turning me. My strength failed me and I fell on the ground. So when the person came and asked, I told the person I'm hungry. So the person now gave me food and money.
Really?
Mom, this is a cock and bull story. Don't even believe every lie she's spitting.
That person must be a good Samaritan. A Father Christmas or Mother Christmas.
That's the truth.
Oh, someone saw you. So you were in the market. You went there to film so that people will pity you and label me as a wicked person who can what?
We deal with her.
Nonsense.
Hey, ma, please, my mom.
Which one? After sleeping with different men, you're coming to collect money.
Mom, this is
Went to your
wicked.
boyfriend's house to lay out.
Mom, this is wickedness.
My friend, will you shut your mouth up?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, I'm going to tell Dad. I'm going to tell Dad.
Olivia, take this money. Get me shawarma and smoothie while seeing Maurice off.
An ice cream too.
I didn't say ice cream, I said smoothie.
I want ice cream.
Look at what you've done. Heartless woman. Heartless woman. Heartless woman. Why you be so heartless?
Daddy!
I miss you.
So good. Hi, well. How are you, sweetheart?
Hey, how are you?
I thought you said you're coming tomorrow. What happened?
Welcome, Dad.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Oh my God.
Don't be in a rush.
Okay.
This is yours.
This?
This is yours.
Thank you, Daddy.
Emmanuel.
Daddy.
This is your own. You made special order, eh?
Yes.
This is yours.
And this? And
Thank you
this?
so much, Dad.
And this? And this?
Oh, this is for Matilda.
What? Why? You got this for me, right? And bought the whole of this bag for Matilda.
Dorothy,
Yes?
you all have enough. That poor girl has nothing.
Really?
Why are you like this?
Why am I like what?
Matilda! Matilda!
Daddy, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you, my dear. So how are you, my dear?
I'm fine, Daddy.
Okay. This is yours.
Chineke, for me?
Yes, my dear.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma. God bless you.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma. Hey, ma, thank him for me, oh. God will bless you. You will never laugh.
Get out. I said you should get out. Go back to the kitchen.
Dorothy!
What?
What is it?
What is what?
Oh, what is bitterness and bickering?
Sir,
Eh?
sir, ma, please. Permit
My
me.
friend! Will you shut up? Let me finish what I'm saying.
Sorry.
Don't be so hard on her. What is this? Eh?
You expect me to take that? You should have asked me what do you want. Call me on phone, not what I want. Don't bring that bag. Just return the bag. Give him the bag. I don't need it.
Would you get it? Get it, take this.
Lots of stuff on my house here, and you're getting me just that. For what? For what?
What is wrong with your mom?
Dad, I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with Mom.
She has the whole world. How can she? Oh God. For a poor girl like Matilda. Anyway.
Daddy.
Thank you so much, Dad.
What you do today, cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. What woman, be careful what you do, cause you don't even know. You don't even know. Proud woman, be careful.
You're smiling. My lovely children.
You're not even sure. So make you feel caught up.
I hope you behaved yourselves while I was away.
Yes, Dad.
Yes, Daddy.
Good. Emmanuel, did you religiously attend your lessons?
Yes, Dad, of course I do.
Olivia, what of you? Did you take your studies seriously?
Yes, Daddy.
I trust you. That's great. What of the housemaid, the new housemaid? How are you coping with her?
That reminds me. Dad, when you traveled, Mom and Olivia, they've been maltreating this girl. Auntie Matilda have been suffering in this house, Dad. That they compare her to do all the house chores in this house, and yet they starve her.
What? But why?
I don't know. I don't know why. Dad, mother and daughter are in a better position to defend themselves. At least you can start with her.
Daddy, he's lying. He's lying against me.
Who is lying? Dad, I'm not lying anything, no.
This is unbelievable.
Dad, the other day, Auntie Matilda went to the market on an empty stomach. Dad, she fainted on the road. Leave me alone. A good Samaritan saw her on her way and revived her and even gave her some money.
What?
Dad, when she came back home, Mom and Olivia, they beat her up.
Emmanuel, are you sure of what you're saying?
Dad, I'm not even done yet. Mom and Olivia, they collected the money the Good Samaritan gave to her.
Olivia!
Daddy.
Is this true? You're shaking your head! What is this?
Dad, I don't even know why they hate her so much. They're just jealous of her, Dad. They just want to kill this poor girl.
Only God knows what that young lady may have said about me in public. Thereby denting my image, my reputation. I provide for everyone. There's enough food for everybody in this house. How come some of you are eating and others are starving? What is this? Why? This is unacceptable. It's unacceptable. And where is that woman? Where is Dorothy? Dorothy!
In this house. How dare you tell that to Daddy in front of me? Don't. I'll put pepper in your bubble when you're sleeping this night. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you?
Dad!
So, you're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Momo.
So tell me, how is Matilda doing?
That reminds me, have you spoken to your children of recent?
Oh, yes. Dorothy.
Yes, dear.
I just asked you about Matilda, and do not pretend as if you didn't hear what I said.
Maureen, please, can you not ask me about that thing?
Why do you hate her? Yes. What did she do to you? Tell me. Tell me. What happened?
Can you... Anyway, let me just go straight. The other day, my husband returned from his trip and bought loads of gifts, shoes, clothes, just name it, for her. Can you beat that?
Your husband is a nice person. Oh yes, he is.
I am suspecting them.
You are what?
You heard me.
Oh, Dorothy, how can you say such? Huh? You don't have to think like that, because I know your husband only saw her once, and that was that morning he traveled. Ah, Dorothy, sometimes you make me laugh. You behave as if you are an illiterate, which I'm sure you are not.
Whatever. Of course, I'm going to collect those and give them to my daughter.
You will do no such thing.
I've done it already. You're talking as if you've forgotten who I am.
Dorothy, tell me.
What?
What exactly did she do to you? Why do you hate her so much? I ask again. Tell me. You see? You are not saying anything. Meaning you don't have a justifiable reason to hate her. Yes. Why do you hate her?
Ori, what's up? Eh? They sent you?
I know why I'm asking you this. Because no one knows tomorrow, Dorothy. Tomorrow they say is pregnant. I just want to cancel you as a friend.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Guardian and Counselor, for your wonderful advice. But please do not patronize me, I don't need it. This is my house and I know how to control it. The other day she went to the market and fainted. And some good Samaritan saw her and fed her, after which she gave her 5,000 naira. So what do you call of it? I collected the 5,000 naira and sent my daughter to go get me shawarma and the smoothie.
You did what?
Yes, I did.
You collected the 5,000 naira someone gave to her.
Why won't I collect it?
Dorothy, you are wicked.
Excuse me?
You are a wicked woman, yes.
You called me wicked because of a common housemaid?
Get up and leave.
I beg your pardon?
Get up and leave my house.
Maureen, wait. Calm down. You're too fast. Are you asking me out of your house because of a common house help?
Dorothy, I said get up and leave my house. Get out. I don't want to see you here again.
Wow.
You are very wicked. Just get up and leave my house. Yes. Maybe I will come and take her out of your house. I'm coming to take that girl away.
Maureen, do you know you sound funny? You are asking me out of your house because of a common house.
You are still wasting time. Leave.
I've insulted myself enough by coming here. Which house are you even talking about this? Thank God my husband is richer than yours.
Whatever, just get out.
Please, stop.
Get out. Stop. I know it from today that our friendship is over. Get out.
As if I
please.
Friends with you. Nonsense. Oh, please.
Look at her.
So inept, so clumsy.
Hey, get out.
I don't even come.
Whatever, just
Never know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. What woman, be careful what you do, 'cause you don't even know. You don't even
Where has this stupid man gone to? Eh? I don't know what is wrong with this Zaki. All he does is to eat and eat and eat. He can't even do a single job. Just to open the gate and close it.
I beg you, fear God. Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next.
Look at me. Exo, I will so deal with you that wait. Just wait for me. Let me know what is blocking you. Zaki, yes, madam. Come here. I said you should come here. Oh no! Where?
Oh no!
What have you been doing?
Madam, the days I toilet, they cheat. They cheat and they get on this stomach, madam. I won't come out and go open gate for you. They think they come again, I run, go back, madam, I no verse.
Madam, are they inside toilet? Are they inside toilet? Are they shit? I want make I come. He can't go back. He can't come again. Stupid man.
Thank you, ma.
What are you good at? If not to eat my food. Eh? Why won't you have running stomach when you eat everything you see in this house? I've been at the gate hawking for what seems like eternity.
I'm sorry. No verse.
Try that with me again and see what I will do to you.
No verse,
my friend, close my gate.
Thank you, ma.
Scallywag.
Thank you, ma.
Nincompoop.
Thank you, ma.
Nonsense man. Imbecile.
Heartless.
So incompetent.
Heartless woman. Why you be so heartless? Why you been so heartless? Oh no no. Look at what you've done. Heartless woman. Heartless woman. Heartless woman. Why you been so heartless? Oh na na. Heartless. Why you been so heartless?
Where is this girl? Eh? Where is this daughter of a prostitute? Where could she have gone to? Because of her, I was humiliated today. By my friend Warren. I was humiliated, embarrassed, and insulted. Matilda! I will so deal with her that in her next world, she will not dare me. What? Matilda!
Sorry, ma. I did not hear you.
Good! I want to have those things my husband bought for you. Are you alright? My friend, get it! Are you expecting me to go to your wardrobe? Look at this foolish girl! My friend, get these things! Fool! Is this all he got?
Yes, ma. Let me pass that. Why is this woman treating me like this? I haven't done anything wrong to deserve this kind of treatment. God. This is becoming too much. I don't know how long I'm supposed to take this. In fact, It is even better. Let her take the clothes so I can have peace.
Thelma, you won't believe what I'm about to tell you now.
Mom, is everything okay?
Dorothy told me that her husband came back from his trip to Abuja. Got her and her children gifts. And lots of gifts for Matilda.
Wow, he's such a nice man.
You should have allowed me to finish. She said she's going to collect those gifts from Matilda and give to Olivia.
Why? This is shared wickedness. I'm even surprised that you of all people could be friends with that kind of woman. I don't like her.
Trust me, I had to ask her out of my house immediately. I told her it is over between us.
Mom, you did what?
Can you imagine that Matilda told her that she fainted on her way to the market? A good Samaritan saw her, gave her food and dashed her 5,000 naira. Dorothy collected that 5,000 naira from Matilda.
What is even wrong with that woman? Is she mad or something?
Dorothy is devil incarnate.
Mommy, this is incredible. This is unheard of.
That was why I had to do what I did. By asking her out of my house immediately.
Mom, you should have talked some sense into her rather than walking her out of the house.
You are talking as if you don't know who Dorothy is. Dorothy is one person that doesn't take advice. When I was trying to advise her, she was calling me Mrs. Advisor. Keep your advice to yourself, I don't need it. That was what she told me. So what do you expect me to do then?
Mommy, I pray nothing happens to Matilda.
Nothing will happen to Matilda. And if anything happens to that girl, I will deal with Dorothy. I've already told her to return that girl back to me if she doesn't need our services anymore.
It's okay.
Let's watch and see how it goes.
I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, way, you are all that matters. Oh, way, na 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 na. What? Ah, no.
Wow, this is beautiful. I mean, it's amazing. You sound so great. I never knew you had such a lovely voice.
How long have you been standing and listening to my melodious voice?
Not quite long though, but I'm sorry for barging on you this way.
It's okay, Subato. Sit.
Okay. Auntie, why are you hiding this beautiful gift of yours?
I don't understand.
Okay. Can I ask you something? Can you possibly light up a candle and hide it under the bed?
No, Makagen is why.
Fine. Very well. Auntie Matilda, why do you want to kill this beautiful talent of yours? Okay. I want you to join our choir.
Noel, you're very funny. You and I know that's not going to be possible. I'm not
nothing but a mere house help. What time do I have? I need to go to the market, wash clothes, clean house, do all those things. Your mother will not even allow me to go out. Please, 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 don't even make such suggestion for me. Else you want me to lose my job. Your mother will just kill me and chase me away. See this roof over my head? I appreciate it. Biko.
I understand what your fear is, but you know I got your back always, right? I am going to talk to Daddy Gio about this, and I'll beg him to talk to my mother to allow you to join the church choir.
No, please don't do that. I appreciate your concern. I appreciate your love, Manamba. Biko, don't do that. Your mother might think I'm the one that sent you to go and ask somebody to talk. Hey, don't do that. I thank you for loving my voice. Thank you for appreciating my talent. Mananyadaba, please. I don't want to lose my job. Please.
Please. What about you doing a collab with one of these top gospel musicians like Mercy Chinwo and Shoma, Jesus, and so many of them? I know what I'm saying. And
you're funny. Hey, Noel, look at the way you're advising me as if I'm somebody's daughter. Why are you talking like that? Where will I even see those people? Talk more of doing collab with them. And how... My brother...
Let me show you something. You see, I am following almost... okay, this is Mercy Chinwo. I want you to chat her. Understand? Chat her and tell her that you're a good artist. You can sing very well. See,
with which phone?
Okay, fine. You can make use of my phone this night. Please don't tell my mom. I can allow you to make use of this phone this night. Okay? Chat her. Maybe you can be chatting her every night. She might respond one day. But don't tell my mom that I'm giving this phone to you every night.
You will do that for me? Yeah, no, thank you so much for appreciating my talent and, going extra mile to make sure I become somebody.
Hey, it's nothing. It's nothing. Just take my phone.
And she's the one who see
Yes,
her.
that's her. Oh yeah, you see, she has a lot of followers. There's
almost 5 million.
You see?
Hey, see, goes okay.
Yes, that's her.
Okay, see what I'll do. I will write to her.
Okay.
After writing to her, I'll write to Gozie.
All right.
You understand?
Okay. Let me just give you my password.
Okay.
This is me.
So how did you people see today's service?
Daddy Gio, it was something else. It was like the Holy Spirit came down from heaven and ministered to me directly. Oh, I was so exhilarated. Hi.
Considering what happened at service today, you can see that your house help, Sister Matilda, is gifted.
Oh yes, I was stunned myself. I didn't know she could sing like this. Such a nightingale voice. Hi.
I would like you people to allow her join the choir. If allowed to join the choir, that girl can go places. She can be a vessel in the house of God.
I agree with you. That girl is like a daughter to me. And I will do everything, anything to encourage her.
That's good. Sister Dorothy, you're not saying anything.
Daddy G.O., it's okay. Yeah. We can manage.
Yes. God will bless you. God will bless both of you for sowing in the life of an orphan.
Thank you.
Actually, it's your son, Noel, that told me about Sister Matilda. Noel heard Sister Matilda singing in the kitchen while she was washing dishes, singing. He said once he heard her sing, he realized that this is God-given gift. And it is not ordinary.
As a matter of fact, she is a gift to this generation. But Emmanuel, he didn't tell me. He wanted to surprise me perhaps. That our son is smart.
So it would be good if you will allow her join the choir. The choir practice holds every Tuesday and Saturdays, 5 p.m.
Yes, Yes.
Yes, I hope it will be good.
Yes.
How do you see it?
We will encourage her.
Yes, encourage her.
Yes.
She'll go places.
Yes. Thank you so very much.
Yes, go well. Go well, Chief.
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. What woman, be careful what you do, cause you don't even know. You don't even know.
Madam the madam, welcome. Madam, happy Sunday. Madam the madam. Sorry, ma.
Stupid man. Come on, close this door. Fool.
Oh yeah, go.
Cause you're not even sure. Proud woman, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do.
Wow. Nah, every time quarter for this compound. Nah, when I close my gate,
Proud woman, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do right now. Tomorrow's gonna come.
Nonsense. What impetus? She wants to turn to snatch in my house. What impetus? Or even messaging her. Let me see how she will achieve that. Let me see how she achieves that.
Dorothy, can't I have peace in my own house? Huh?
No. There will be no peace in this house.
If I may ask, why is it that you are stiff-necked into believing that you have a problem? Why?
Have a problem? Me? Me? Have a problem?
Dorothy, I have advised you, and I will keep advising you that you should shun this unnecessary aggression. Yes, because hot-tempered people, they are prone to having high blood pressure, which can lead to hypertension, stroke. Okay?
Rufus! Me! Aggressive! Hot-tempered! Only me!
I want to have my normal Sunday siesta. Okay? If you are not tired of your unnecessary bickering, go out there and continue to rage like a mad woman. For all I care.
Rufus, you called me a mad woman? You called me a mad woman?
If you are not a mad woman, now just explain to me why a woman in her right senses will return from service on a Sunday only to start barking all over the place like a mad dog. Tell me why?
Me, a mad dog! You're very stupid. Yes! You are a demented fool for uttering such buncombe from your mouth. You're a stupid man.
Dorothy, you call me your husband a stupid man.
Yes.
A demented fool.
You hurt me. In fact, you're not just an ordinary stupid man. You're a man when men are not at home. Look at you. A non-entity. Trying to play a gentleman. Oh. Rufus. Look at you. Nonsense man. Fool.
Anyway, I will not allow you to spoil the good things that I got from service today. As a matter of fact, get ye behind me, you Satan.
Me? Satan? Rufus, me, Satan? Eh? Me, Dorothy, Satan! Not only am I dog, now I am a Satan. Let me show you how Satans behave. Let me show you how Satans behave. I will tell you. Look at you.
Dorothy.
Calling me a Satan.
Dorothy.
You are the Satan. You are the Satan. Oh, you're running away. Come. Let me show you. I should have shown you how Satans behave. Fool.
Why you be so heartless? Heartless woman. Why you be so heartless? Hey, why you been so heartless?
So, Chief, how is family?
Well, Daddy Gio, family is fine. But there are skirmishes here and there. And there is a particular big problem.
Well, for 2 weeks now, I have not seen Sister Matilda in the church. In fact, since that day you and your wife came here, and I asked you to encourage her to manifest the God-given gift in her, I have not seen her again. What happened?
Thank you. I tell you, it was a fool. That is the problem I was referring to. You know, when we left, my wife made our house a living hell for everybody, apart from her daughter Olivia.
Sister Dorothy.
Exactly. As a matter of fact, she gave Emmanuel the beating of his life and turned the whole house upside down. Why? Because she felt Matilda will blow. Yes, because of her performance in the choir. And she said over her dead body, should Matilda remain in the choir.
Is Sister Dorothy that callous?
Daddy Joe, that is an understatement. Oh yes. Now let me bust your bubble. You know I traveled the other time. I came with so many gifts for them. But it happened that the one I gave to Matilda is more than the rest, given her background. Do you know this woman collected those clothes from Matilda and gave them to Olivia, her daughter, to use? The other day, when we got home, the day I told you she beat Emmanuel up. When we got to that day, she gave Emmanuel the greatest beating of his life. Yes. Then she went ahead to insult me. There is no name in this world that I don't know. Dorothy gave me the greatest insult of my life. She called me all sorts of names. I am a demented fool, a stupid man, any name you can think of, negative one at that. Well, you know I'm a good Christian. There is no way I will lay my hands on my wife.
No. As a Christian, you are forbidden from beating your wife.
So what I did was to quietly abandon the room for her. For the past 2 weeks, I've been sleeping in the guest room. You know what that means for a Christian? By the grace of God, I have to hold myself. You understand?
But Chief, you are the man of the house. You ought to take care of all this.
Daddy Gio, I am trying my best. But I cannot chase my wife out of the house. Yes. You know, so the only thing I do now is just to pray so that God can touch her heart.
Chief, don't worry. I'll make out time and talk to Sister Dorothy. I believe she will listen to me.
That would be very nice of you. You know, I have a strong belief that the relationship between man and God is purely personal to the individual. So the only thing we can do is to pray for ourselves and see how we can manage them. Because I can't change her. It's only God that can.
It is well.
Thank you, Pastor. So I need to leave now.
It's alright. It's alright, Chief.
But send me well to Mama.
This is well. But you saw her during the service.
Yes, I did.
And the only thing is that you did not.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You have
what be that?
the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You
I don't mind. This is why you come here this time. You know what they asked now? Breeze. You know what they asked now? Why they have to say Olivia no dey house? Now Olivia that fine housemaid. Now Olivia na dey house.
You mean Matilda?
Yes, now that fine girl.
So where is she?
Okay, see am for that place. Now they fetch water for that place.
Okay.
I tell you,
I recall.
I get too fine.
Thank you.
Vanity, such a vanity. It's a vanity. Infidelity. It's such a vanity.
I'm fine. Welcome, sir.
I can see you are busy.
Yes, sir. But there's no one at home. They've all gone out.
I know. I actually came because of you.
Because of me?
Yes, I know everyone might have gone out, so I came to keep you company.
Oga, to the best of my knowledge, I can't remember telling you that I'm lonely and needs company. Please. I don't need you to keep me company. Moreover, you should be somewhere, maybe working or school. Don't you have anything you're doing for yourself?
Yeah, I am a 300 level student, computer science. Well, I'm done with my lectures today. Well, Matilda, I really like you. The first day I set my eyes on you, I've not been myself. Matilda, you are so beautiful. If you accept to be my girlfriend, I promise you, whatever you want, anything you want in this life, I will do it for you. Yes. Matilda, you're not saying anything. Oh, I understand. Maybe it's because of Olivia. Don't worry, I don't know her. Just been the one trying herself.
Why would he tell me that Olivia is the one forcing herself on him? Did I ask him?
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, 'cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. What woman, be careful what you do, 'cause you don't even know. You don't even know. Proud woman, be careful things you do. Tomorrow will come.
Idiot. Now woman, you come this house, come fine. I know something can come this house with that. You go as it is, so you to sit down, they focus on your book. You come here, call a fine woman. Mati, fine babe. Now you call a fine, you don't get sense. Make my Oga no catch you one day for here. Oga go kill you.
Morris,
See that?
were you here earlier today?
No? Why do you ask?
Someone told me that she saw you around the neighborhood today.
Me? Did the person actually tell you she saw me in your neighborhood today?
Yes.
That means the person must have lied to you. Sweetheart, I did not come here today, except now that I just came.
Here?
I mean the neighborhood.
Morris, your eyes are blinking. A telltale signal that you're lying to me. Someone told me that she saw you around the estate today.
Which estate?
Our estate, of course.
And who could that be?
A friend and also a neighbor. She said she saw you this afternoon.
Oh yes, I forgot. I'm sorry. It escaped my mind.
Morris, you mean you came to this house when you rightfully know that I will not be around?
I know now. I just came to a cafe down the street.
Which cyber cafe? You mean you left all the cyber cafes in school to come to this? Which cyber cafe did you come to?
Maybe I called a friend of mine on phone who told me he was in a cafe down the street. So I decided to come and see him in your neighborhood.
And which friend are we talking about here?
Maybe you don't know him. He's Raphael. I'm sure you've not met him.
Son of a bitch. Could it be he was here earlier today to make advances at Matilda? It better not be what I'm thinking.
Hello? Olivia, are you here?
What? Fine, whatever.
Are you sure?
Yes, whatever.
What is it? I can't understand.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
Okay, if you're fine. But there's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
I've been longing to tell you this for a very long time. It's about Matilda.
And what about that low life of a house help?
See, don't you think we can make money from that girl? That girl is very beautiful. I mean, very beautiful. I admire her a lot. Don't you think you can actually make money from that girl? She has everything in a woman. Like, she's very beautiful, her backside, everything. I know one big guy in this town. He runs beauty pageants. You can take Matilda to the guy will sign.
Maurice! How dare you open your mouth and tell me such nonsense? You are very, very stupid for saying that. I mean, you sit here and talk about Matilda in that manner in front of me?
It's money.
Oh, please spare me that crap. You made me tattoo your name on my chest, all in the name of love, and you're here admiring another girl. I think you're very, very stupid. Idiot. Get out of my father's house. Get out! As a matter of fact, leave my house. Get out of my father's house.
You idiot.
Don't stay here anymore.
Baby, come back now. It's money we're talking about. It's money now, baby. Just come back.
Very stupid. Get out! Get out!
Whether you like it or not, that girl is very beautiful. And she's good to go. Let's do the girl and make money. If you are done inside, just come outside. I'm waiting for you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. It's my girlfriend's house.
You are the living God, oh. Yes, and no one like you. You are the living God, oh.
you be so heartless? Hey, why you been so heartless? Oh, no, no. Look at what you've done.
Mom, you look perplexed. Are you okay?
There's nothing one won't say in this house.
Mom, what is it?
You were not here to see what happened today.
Mom, what happened?
Hi! Matilda. I think it's time to throw her back to the street where she belongs.
Mom, what did Matilda do again?
Matilda! Matilda.
Mom, you're confusing me. Matilda. What did she do? Tell me.
Do you know? Or do I say, do you remember Brother Paul from our church? He was here today with that his brother, the one that traveled to Spain 7 years ago.
Mom? You mean Desmond, the drummer guy?
Exactly.
Hi. Mommy, how was he looking? Oh, that handsome man.
That same handsome man was here today to ask for Matilda's hand in marriage.
What? Matilda again?
Hey! It's time to put an end to this madness going on in this house.
Yes.
I mean, why would she be getting all the attention? Why? Why Matilda, when my daughter is here?
There's something that I can't still comprehend.
Something is not right.
I mean, she's getting all the attention for real. Just imagine, an ordinary housemaid, an orphan from the motherless baby's home. I'm sure her mother would have been a mad woman or a prostitute who dropped her in the gutters and left her to die. Mom, I hate her so much. Imagine Morris looking her way.
You don't say.
Yes, Mom. Yes. And I can't sit here and watch that evil nitwit get married before me in this house.
No. Her hair?
She has really crossed her limit. I employed her, and it is time to deploy her to the streets where she belongs.
Yes, Mom. Let's send her packing. Yes, let's send her packing.
Heartless. Why you be so heartless? Heartless woman. Why you be so heartless? Hey, why you been so heartless? Oh, no, no. Look at what you've done. Heartless woman.
Matilda, leave my house.
Go back to the orphanage where you belong. Leave us alone. We don't want you again. Leave my house. Please.
Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Leave now.
Leave my house.
Go. We don't want to go.
I don't have any. Yes, what get wrong? You want me to drive home? Sorry, man.
What is it that you're doing? You cannot do. I can walk. I can walk. I can't do. Please don't want me again. Go. 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 We don't want to. Go. Where is it? Go.
Please, I beg you, ma, please. I don't have anywhere to go. Hey. I will go. Let me greet Oga. welcome.
What's going on here?
Madam asked me to go.
What's going on here? Dorothy?
Yes?
What is going on here?
I fired her.
On whose authority?
On my own authority because I employed her.
Oh. So you think you can just lord yourself around here like the Lord of the Rings?
What do you mean by that?
Who gave you the impetus to do that? Huh? I'm asking you.
What are you asking me?
Are you mad?
Daddy!
Idiot! Who gave you the right to sack her?
Rufus. You slapped me because of this bastard?
And I will slap you again if you don't shut out your dirty mouth. Who do you think you are? Look, instead of her to leave, you will be the one to leave this house.
Story! You're telling stories.
I'm telling stories.
Stories! You're telling stories. You think I don't know you're sleeping with her?
I'm sleeping with her?
Yes!
And so? And so, what can you do about it?
Really?
This is how you spoil my name all over the place. You drag my name along the mud. Before the church, before the GO. Are you okay?
I should be asking you that question. Hit me one more time, and you will regret ever knowing me.
You're daring me.
Of course I am.
You think I don't know why you want her out?
Why?
You and your lazy daughter. Because shooters are coming after her. Instead of your lazy daughter here, that's why you want her out.
I don't care!
You don't care!
She should leave my house!
But I care! Idiot! How did I marry this devil in the first place? How did I marry you? Huh? It's alright. I will show you the stuff I've made of if you continue with this your nonsense. And you lazy fool! I know how to handle you. Idiot! Matilda! You are not going anywhere. You come inside. Take your things and come inside. Zaki! Make sure you lock that gate. She must not go out. Idiot! Matilda! Come with me. Come with me inside. Let me see what this bastard is. Idiot!
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody was
You this foolish girl, because of you, Dad slapped my mother. I will deal with you in this house. You will see pepper. I will put pepper in your eyes. Witch. Witch.
You don't even know what comes next.
Ma, please. I'm sorry. Biko, can I go inside? Ombai. I'm sorry.
Madam,
Emmanuel! Daddy! Where are you? Come here. Will you remove that nonsense from your ears? Where in God's name have you been?
Dad, I was upstairs listening to music.
You were upstairs listening to music while your mother and your sister almost evicted Matilda from this house, but from a timely intervention.
I didn't know that.
I will show this woman the other side of me.
Such a vanity. Oh yeah. So tell me what infidelity is gonna be. How many it's such a vanity. Gonna go. Where are you now? God of the upon one on a road
Can I please see her?
You can't see her now.
Why?
If it's time for you to see her, I'll tell you. Just calm down, she'll be fine.
Oh God, please. God, do not let me down on this one, I beg you.
Don't worry, she'll be fine.
You have never failed me. Just preserve this girl for me. Please, just preserve this girl. You have never failed me, I beg you. This for one time, please. Preserve this girl for me, I beg you, please. How is she? How is she?
She's fine. It's just a shock.
I hope she didn't sustain any internal injury.
I don't think so. Like I said, just a minor shock. She'll be fine.
Okay, please. Just do anything within your power to revive this girl for me. Anything about the money, I'll pay. Please.
Well, we'll do our best. And I want you to calm down. Like I said, she'll be fine. And I assure you, she will not even spend much time here.
Okay.
So calm down. Okay?
Doctor, please. Can I see her?
Yes, but she's unconscious. And I don't want you to make noise when you get there.
No problems. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. Thank you.
Vanity, vanity, vanity. Such a vanity. It's a vanity, vanity. Infidelity, infidelity. It's such a vanity.
God, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for preserving the life of this innocent girl. Because I don't want to be a murderer. I do not want to be associated with the name murderer. Thank you. Thank you.
How does it feel to live the way you do?
You'll be fine.
Had the world
I can assure you.
Oh, yeah. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Tell me, vanity, vanity, vanity. Such a vanity.
Mom, are you sure she hasn't run away?
With my 25,000 naira? No, now she can't try that. That's how I'm feeding money. Hey! Matilda!
I just pray nothing bad has happened to her.
talking about my money or talking about her. Let something happen to her, then bring back my money.
Mom, I know that she has been looking for an opportunity to run away from this house. Now that she has seen 25,000 naira, that is when she decided to run away from this house.
Hey, this is my fault. Eh?
Olivia, what is wrong with you? This is not the first time she's going to the market with such amounts of money. So why are you saying this? So why are you saying this?
But she has been returning. She has been returning with foodstuffs.
Mommy, would you believe that this girl left this house since 12 noon? Look at the time, almost 7 p.m. and she's not back yet.
Hi. Hi. This is my fault, oh. This is my fault.
God, please, bring her back safely. Dad, any luck?
No luck. I went to the police station to report her missing. But they told me that it's rather too early. I should come back after 24 hours to make official report. God, I have a premonition that something bad may have happened to her. Perhaps she entered one chance. God forbid.
Rufus, if she likes, let her enter one chance or two chances. I don't even care if she's been kidnapped by armed robbers or ritual killers. All I care is my money. She should just send that money. Maybe drop it at the gate. That is my own. I need my 25,000 naira.
Dorothy! Why are you like this?
Like what? I know she's been planning this all along. Yes! It's my fault. I should have been sending her this bit by bit. Go and buy pepper 500. Return with 1,500. Buy onion. Go and buy meat 3,000 naira. Buy this one. Go and buy something 2,000 naira. Buy this one 3,000. Return and go out. It's my mistake. This is my mistake.
Nothing should happen to this girl. Emmanuel. Hey, I hope nothing happens to her. That girl is too good. She's just too good to face something like this. Emmanuel, please go and get me a glass of water.
Heartless woman, heartless woman, why you been so heartless?
Daddy Gio.
Oh, Nana.
No. All is not well at all. It's Matilda.
Why you been so
She's missing. Yes, I've gone to the police. But they advised that I should come back after 24 hours to make official report. Yes. It's alright. Thank you, Daddy.
Is she at the church?
No. She's in heaven.
Rufus, she should not use my money for offertory. Please, I am begging her. Because I'm going to kill her.
Dorothy!
What?
You're a devil!
You're a Christian devil! That's my own.
Emmanuel! Emmanuel! Let me have the water, please. My ears are tingling me with this kind of rubbish that I'm...
Let it tickle you! You're a devil! You're a Christian devil!
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. What woman, be careful what you do. cause you don't even know. You don't even know. Proud woman, be careful things you do. Tomorrow will come, you're not even sure. So make you fear God, oh. Make you do good, oh. Make you do the right thing. Oh, fear God, oh.
God, I hope nothing bad has happened to Matilda. God, I have every reason to believe in you, God. I know that you will not allow anything bad to happen to her. I know you will not allow anything bad to happen to her. God, please. Matilda, please. Come home safely.
Good evening, sir.
Hi. Good evening, nurse. Sorry. I slept off, sorry.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, sorry. Oh, nurse. Hi, sorry, I slept off.
It's okay. You have been here for a while. Don't you think you should go home and freshen up?
No, please, I'm okay.
Have you had anything to eat?
Sincerely, I'm not hungry. I appreciate your concern.
I really understand, but at least you have to eat something.
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Okay, if you said so. I will come and check the drip later.
Alright. I appreciate this.
You're welcome.
Good night. You're awake. Oh, thank God. You're awake.
Ah, God. Oh.
Sorry. How do you feel? Sorry.
How are you feeling?
Where am I?
You are in the hospital.
Why? What happened?
You had an accident. So I rushed you to the hospital.
Oh God. Oh God. How long have I been here?
What? You've been here since yesterday.
Hey!
How are you feeling?
You must have been looking for me.
What those?
Oh God. Where is my bag? Where are my things?
Your bag is here. Your money is intact. Everything is fine. Please, just relax yourself. Let me get the nurse and... Hello? Nurse!
No, please. Relax. Please. I have to go.
Listen.
They will kill me. They will be looking for me.
Nurse! Listen to me. No one is going to hurt you. I am here to protect you.
You will not understand.
Doctor! Please let me call someone to come and see you. Please. Just relax, okay? Okay, thank God, no, sorry.
Wait, thank God she's awake. Let me get the doctor.
Okay, please just call the doctor, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Joe, I want to go.
Listen. Listen, you'll be
fine.
Please. Okay. Just relax yourself. The doctor is calling, okay?
You will not understand.
Young lady.
Doctor.
How are you?
Doctor. I want to go. I think I'm okay. It's just small headache.
Don't worry. You'll go home as soon as you are good to go. But first, we need to get in touch with your family. So, what's your name, where are you from, and who are your parents?
My name is Matilda.
Are you sure? Are you sure she's fit to talk?
Yes. So, who are your parents?
I live with Chief Rufus. Yes.
Chief Rufus?
Yes.
Wait, you mean Chief Rufus of Rufus Group of Companies?
You know the chief?
Yes. Who doesn't know Chief Rufus? He's one of the biggest dudes in this town. Wow. A big-time politician and a good man. But wait, is he your father?
No. I'm just ordinary house helper. And I'm sure they must be looking everywhere for me.
Oh.
Doctor, please let me go. I'll be fine at home.
It's okay. Don't worry. I will put a call across to him. Okay?
Oh, that would be so wonderful of you, doctor. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you.
It's okay. You'll be fine.
I'm okay already.
Sorry.
No.
It's okay. Don't worry.
I just want to go home.
Don't worry.
You'll go home, okay?
Nurse, come and get some injection.
Alright, thank you, doctor. Alright, nurse, thank you. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Thank you. You see, your name is Matilda. Just relax yourself. I am here to take care of you. When the doctor certifies that you're fine to go, you will leave. But for now, just relax yourself. And are you hungry? Just tell me if there's... Sorry. Sorry. Should I call the doctor?
I want to go.
You cannot leave now. Matilda, where are you? Since yesterday. God. God, please. Protect her. Daddy Gio. Hello, Apostle. No, we've not heard from her. Oh, she will come. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Yes, I believe. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. I know you will do it. Thank you. Oh.
I like it.
Oh my god.
I can't wait to have this. Look at the stones.
So nice. I ordered it already.
Really?
I'm just showing you to know if
How
you
much
like
is it? Google it. Oh, look at this one. Oh, this one will be good for that wedding.
Exactly.
My, my. I can't wait to have this.
No, I've ordered for you to wait and
Really?
to tell you. Yeah, I wanted to know if you like it.
Why not? I love it.
Just look at this one.
Oh, this will be good for that wedding. You have eyes for fashion.
I just received a call from Dr. Phil. He said Matilda has been admitted at the hospital.
What?
Yes, according to him, she ran into a car.
That stupid girl. She had wanted to kill herself so she could frame this family a bad one. She should kill herself for all I care. Please show me the lace. Okay. And I need you to Google it so that I'll know the price.
I'm going to the hospital immediately.
Follow time and do that picture. Follow him. Go and see the angel of heaven.
Nice.
Good riddance to Papa. Maybe when she comes back, probably with one leg, one hand, stitched nose,
one
eye. She'll just keep calm and stop parading herself as the most beautiful girl in this house, attracting men for marriage. Please show me this thing. I'm interested in this.
Mommy, she can die in that hospital for all I care.
I need to see the lace. If I wear this one to that wedding, oh my God.
Daddy.
Yes.
I don't even know what is wrong with Mommy and Olivia.
Forget them. Forget them. What should be uppermost in our minds now is the safety of Matilda. I pray that she's still alive.
Oh yes, Daddy. I think she is. I remember you telling me that Daddy Gio said that she's fine.
Oh yes, he said that. He said it's a sign of good things. It's all for good.
Okay, that's fine, Dad. I just pray nothing bad happens to her.
I pray so myself.
Dad, I want to tell you something.
Yes.
When I grow up, I want to be like you. You have a very wonderful heart, Dad.
Really?
Yes.
It's alright. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah.
How?
Nobody owns this place. Be careful what you do. Heartless. Heartless. Why you be so heartless? Oh yeah. Heartless. Oh, heartless.
My dear.
Daddy.
Thank God you're alive. We were so worried. We couldn't sleep all through the night.
Daddy, I'm so sorry.
As a matter of fact, I had to report to the police.
Hey.
Yes, I went to the police station to report you missing. But the DPO advised that I should wait for another 24 hours before I come back. So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling better. Daddy, please, forgive me. I didn't mean to put you through all that.
Look, you
Where
don't...
is mommy?
She's fine. Matilda, you don't need to be sorry, okay? It was an accident. It could have happened to anybody, alright?
Sir, it's actually my fault.
And who are you?
My name is Afonwa. I drove the car that knocked her down.
Ah,
Sorry about this.
the car that you ran into. Thank you. Thank you for bringing her here. So,
lest I forget, sir. While my car knocked her down, I found this on her. Yes, sir.
give it to him. Oh, you are a nice person. Thank you, You see, you are an honest person. So, have you had anything to eat? Well, in any case, Emmanuel, when we get home, you prepare something,
Alright.
So that we can bring for her.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay?
Alright.
In the meantime, I would like to go and see the doctor. Okay?
Alright, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Please, be well. So that we can go home.
Vanity, 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 such a vanity. It's a vanity.
Matilda, I bought you some beverages. You can take something, yeah? The syrup there, I can make you something to eat.
I just want to go home so I can go and wash and cook for my mother.
Well, come here. Come.
What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill.
What are you hiding? And where are you headed? What's in there?
It's food and water for Auntie Matilda.
I beg your pardon? My food and water?
Mom, it's my own portion of food.
So?
I told you that Dad instructed me to get food for her, and you refused to dish out food for her, Mom. So I had to transfer my own portion of food here.
Calm down. Let me get this. You want that stupid girl to eat while my son goes hungry. You know it can't work, right? It won't work.
Mom, she needs the food. Mom, she has been in the hospital since yesterday. She needs to eat. According to the man that knocked her down, she just regained consciousness this morning.
Do I care?
Mommy, please.
Do I look like I care? I don't give a hoot if she starves to death in that hospital. Let me have the food.
No, Mom, I'm not giving you anything. I know you've always hated her for no reason.
No!
You just want her to die, but she's not going to die.
I don't want to be mad with you. Give me that food.
Mom,
Give me that flat.
Mom, it's my own portion of food. I am not...
Saki! Come here!
Mom, please.
Why you be so heartless? Why you be so heartless?
I asked you to come and you are catwalking for me. Don't you know how to run?
Madam, I mean, they tried to run, but you know...
Make sure he doesn't leave this house. If he does, you'll be fired.
Ha, madam, you see this gate? Nobody go pass here. Even rats don't go pass this gate today. And they go lock my gate.
But Mom, why are you doing this? Mom, Zaki,
give me that food.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please, I beg you.
Will you get out from my side?
this is my own portion of food. I have the right to give it to anybody I want to, Mom. Mom, please don't do it.
Why you be so heartless? Why you be so heartless? Heartless.
Don't make me say it again. Wickedness, Mother. You're just wicked. You're just heartless, Mom. I am just what? Just leave me alone. You're heartless. Clean this up. You didn't even have any conscience in you, Mother. You just made this here for nothing. Make me say it again. Clean that. Make sure you don't do this. In fact, you can go to the hospital now with no life. But that should be happening. You're just wicked. I'm going to tell my dad what you do.
Oh, go to hell with your father.
Vanity, vanity, vanity. Such a vanity. It's all vanity, vanity. Infidelity, infidelity. It's such a vanity.
Maya. Well, what is it? Why are you crying?
It's my mother. I don't know why my mother hates you so much. I asked her to dish food for you that my dad instructed me. She refused. No problem. I took my own portion of food and I poured it in a food flask to bring for you. On my way coming here, my mother accosted me on the way and collected the food from me and asked Uncle Zaki to lock the gate. That if he doesn't do it, she's going to sack him. Because of the fear, Uncle Zach locks the gate. And my mother collected the food flask and the table water I bought for you. And I poured it on the floor. What?
It's okay.
What? Just right in front of me. I just don't know what you did wrong to my mother. I just can't tell.
It's okay. It's okay. I know you love me genuinely as a sister. I can feel it. I appreciate your genuine concern and love. But please, I'm keen about you too. Stop. I wouldn't want you to get into your mother's trouble because of me. Emma Benu. Please.
And now that she threw away the food, what are you going to eat?
Man shall not live by food alone.
What's your name?
My name is Emmanuel.
I'm sorry to hear this ugly part of your family story, but it's okay. In regards to what you eat, I don't want you to stress yourself. I'll go down the street and get you something from one of the eateries.
It's okay. Auntie, I am truly sorry for everything.
It's okay. I'm sorry too.
You're going to be fine, okay? And I want you to know that I'll always stand right here beside you.
Thank you. Well,
Auntie,
I need to speak with Auntie Maureen. Please call her for me.
why do you want to talk to her?
I just want her to know my whereabouts. She might be worried about me, you never can tell.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you have a number?
Of course I do.
Okay, please dial it. There.
Oh, it's ringing.
Hello? Hello, Noah?
Hello?
Hello? Who is this, please?
Auntie Maureen, is me, Matilda.
Oh, Matilda.
Is that really you? I hope you're fine.
There's a problem, but I'm getting better. I had an accident.
You had an accident?
Yes.
I hope it's not serious.
I'm getting better. The doctor said it's just a minor shock, but I'm still at the hospital.
Okay. So which hospital are you?
Havana Hospital. I'm calling you with Noel's phone.
Havana Hospital. It's alright. I will come and see you there, okay?
It's alright, Auntie. How is Thelma?
Please, just take good care of yourself.
Send my regards, Auntie. I will be fine. Thank you, Ma.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Alright, bye.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity. Infidelity is such a vanity.
Auntie Maureen, Thelma, thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome. So how are you doing?
To the glory of God, I'm recovering. I'm getting better. The doctor said it was just a minor accident. No bruises, no internal bleeding. Just shock and body ache, headache, severe headache.
Sorry, What about the Noel you used his phone to call me?
He has gone back to the house.
Okay.
Auntie Maureen, everything happened within a twinkle of an eye. I didn't even know. I was just singing. All of a sudden I got carried away and I ran into a car. But as God may have it, I just entered like that without looking. And the driver knocked me down. Hey. But good a thing, he's a good man. He's even the one that rushed me to the hospital. You know, some people will just hit you like that and run away.
Yes.
Especially when it's your fault. But okay, madam. Hi.
Matilda, I can see you're getting better.
But Matilda, how could you have crossed the road without watching? Huh?
I was carried away. I was singing and
Matilda, you mean you had an accident just because you were singing?
Yes.
Huh?
No, not just because I was singing, but because I did not look well before crossing the road.
Matilda, are you sure?
It's okay, it's okay. Thank God she's getting better.
Thank you, Madam, for coming.
You're welcome. Have you eaten? Have you taken anything at all?
I'm okay.
Okay. You will join this one. Let me keep it here for you.
You brought food for me?
It's just a small provision.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Mommy, I think Matilda did not tell us exactly what happened. My instinct tells me she's hiding something from us.
Why do you say so?
Mommy, you know your friend, and you know how heartless she can be. I feel they are subjecting that lady to emotional torture, and she really needs help. We need to help her.
So what do you suggest we do?
Mommy, let's bring her here. Let her come and stay with us. Maybe we can enroll her in one of the universities.
That's exactly where the problem lies. Your brothers are already studying abroad. And you're already in the university here.
Mommy, we can do something now.
But the only thing we can do for her now is to help her acquire any skill of her choice. Yes.
Mommy, that lady is too intelligent to go for skill acquisition. I feel the best thing for us to do for her is to enroll her in one of the universities.
Vanity, 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 such a vanity. It's a vanity, vanity, infidelity.
Mommy, say something now, please. We really need to help her.
Don't worry, I will think about it. Let me see what I can do for her.
Okay, Mommy. Mom, I'm tired. I need to go upstairs.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you. Oh, yeah. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Tell me.
Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, your mercies I see. All that I need, that your hands have provided.
Why did you stop? I've taken my time to study you. I know the things you want to say even when you've not said them. I want to ask you a question. Am I free to love you?
No. Hey Joe, no. No, sir. I don't even understand your question. No, please. You are not free to love me, please.
I know this would come up somewhere, but I know you'll be wondering why I'm saying this. Because probably you weren't expecting this from me, but after this true, and I know my heart is not deceiving me. Matilda, I fell in love with you from the very first day I saw you.
Hey, see, even if it's true, even if you genuinely loves me, my madam will not allow that to happen. She would rather kill me. I'm just a common house help.
Don't let this bother you. You're beginning to overthink the whole thing. Just say yes to my proposal and watch me handle the whole situation. I promise you, by the time we get to the bridge, we will cross it. Please, just be the mother of my unborn kids. I beg you.
But hold on. See, I don't even understand this. You're tall. You're cute. Educated. Rich. Why would you want to settle with a low life like me? An orphan. A common house help. Or you just want to take advantage of me, right? No, I know, but I won't let you do that with me.
Listen up, please.
You just want to deceive me,
Matilda,
sleep with me.
Matilda, listen up. I am not that kind of man. I am not in your life to take advantage of you. I meant well for the both of us. Can't you see? I love you.
Vanity, 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 such a vanity. It's all vanity, vanity. Infidelity, infidelity. It's such a vanity.
Young man, I really want to thank you for taking responsibility for your actions. Alright? If it were some persons, they would have done hit and run. But you stayed back and ensured that she was safe. Okay?
Thank you so much, sir. I honestly appreciate this.
Well, you already know my house, so feel free to come anytime.
Sure, I will do my best to check up on you people from time to time. It's alright. Hi, gracious evening, ma.
Matilda.
Daddy.
So you can see him off, okay?
It's okay. Noel.
Uncle.
I have to leave, okay?
It's fine.
Take care of yourself.
It's fine.
Chief.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Alright. Take care, sir.
Take care of you.
Thank you very much.
Can you see how stupid you are? This is how you keep embarrassing yourself before visitors. You behave like a stark illiterate, like someone who has not seen the four walls of school.
Are you just noticing it? No, wait. Have you forgotten? I didn't go to school. I'm an illiterate. Affirmative, yes. I agree.
Good. It is good that you've confirmed that you are a stark illiterate. Therefore, anytime I have visitors in this house, stay upstairs, remain in your room, instead of coming here to embarrass yourself.
Have you forgotten where illiterate stays?
Where?
Market.
Good. So you go to the market anytime I have visitors.
Here is my market. Yes, this sitting is my market. Why am I even listening?
From the way you're talking,
oh, my friend,
you are just a demented fool.
Let me
a
be.
mad dog.
Let me be. Let me
careful. Be careful in this house.
Be careful.
I will deal with you if you don't take care.
Oh my word. I'm scared. I am scared. Nonsense.
Back all the time.
That is my second hand. Leave Coco. Oh, my family. Come on, shut up.
If you come close to my son,
as if you can. Oh,
envious of a little girl that is the same age with your daughter.
Why you been so heartless?
Yes.
Why you been so wicked now?
Yes.
Heartless woman. Why you been so heartless? How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity. Infidelity is such a vanity.